Hi everyone, Ben here from Feedback Nexus. Today I'm going to be showing you how you embed the widget on your website so your public portal shows on the page where you embed it. First, log in and go to your portal dashboard and then go to the portal settings page by clicking the gear icon. Scroll down to the embeddable widget section. And first, you've got to add your domain. So wherever your website is, let's say your website's www.example.com, you would put example.com in here. So just the domain part. Then click add. Once you've added that, scroll down and you'll see the embed code. You can click the copy embed code button and that'll copy it to your clipboard. Then go to your website in your website management, whether it's WordPress, Wix or whatever, and go to the page where you want your portal to be and paste this embed code in the HTML of the page. And that's it. Save it. And then when you browse to your page like this, I'll show you on ours. If we go to roadmap, this is what it looks like. It embeds your public portal on the page. There's options at the top. So if you click the roadmap button, you'll be able to see your public roadmap. If you click the what's new button, you'll be able to see all the change logs that you've managed in your portal. The login button is to allow your customers to log in or sign up for a login for your portal, and then they can submit their own feedback, follow other feedbacks, add comments to feedbacks, and so on. Now, to change the colors of the portal so it matches your website, if you go back to the portal settings page and go to appearance, there's various different options. You can upload a logo, so your logo will be displayed at the point on your portal where it says the portal name. And here is the part where you change the colors. So the primary colors of your buttons, secondary colors, and so on. And if you want to change the fonts, you can select and change through these different fonts and obviously font sizes. This little preview shows you what your primary and secondary button will be. So if you change, for example, if you change this to, let's say, a green, if you scroll down, you'll see that's updated the color. When you click save, that is reflected in your public portal. And that's it then. From then on, when you are on your portal and a portal dashboard and someone's added any feedbacks, you'll see them here. If you've got feedback moderation set up, you'll see an orange box saying that you've got feedback to moderate, and then you can moderate it, accept it, decline it, and so on. That's it. That's as easy as it is to get your portal on your own website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.